Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Valorant. Your game requires a system restart to play. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and close the client. Okay. Now go to the bottom right and right click on the right client. If you have Vanguard right here, just click on exit. Okay. Do the same thing. Now, once that's done, go ahead over to your taskbar, right click on the blank space. Now click on Task Manager. Now go ahead and spot any Valorant related services right here or Vanguard related services. Okay. Type down Valorant, nothing. Type down Vanguard, nothing as well. So we're good to go. Now what we'll do is just go ahead over to our search bar and type down services. Okay. Click on services right here. Now we're going to find a service called VGC. Just scroll all the way down and find VGC. Okay. Click on it. Right click. Click on properties, like so, and the startup type, make sure that it is set to automatic. And then once done, just click on apply, wait for it, and hit on start. Okay, wait for the process to finish. And once that's done, just hit on OK right here. Close services, launch Valorant, and you should be good to go. Now, if that still won't work, don't worry, we still have an option. So what we'll do is just go ahead and find File Explorer, local disk C, or where your Riot games are installed. Okay, Riot games, Valorant, live, shooter game, binaries, Win64. Scroll all the way down and find Valorant when shipping right here. Right click on it, click on properties, go to compatibility. Make sure that you tick on disable full screen optimizations. And then once done, as a bonus, click on change high DPI settings and set this one to application. Okay. It will lower the input delay. So hit on apply, hit on OK. You can run it from here or run from shortcut or even run from the Riot client. All right. You should be good to go. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.